Suzanne Pride, an 8-year-old boy started by Hydraulic Cat. She has been an NCHA 50,000 non-pro world champion back in 2005. She's presently in 4th place this year in the non-pro division at $22,749. This is Suzanne Silverberg and Whiskey Cat.
The girl, Susan. We went through a lot to get here. Let's be proud. Get with it tonight. Have us a run. Come on, Susan. Come on, Susan. Yeah. Come on, girl. You gotta stay strong right there like you have the all that last 3 months. Stay tough. Stay tough. Don't weaken. Come on, Susie. Come on, Susie. Don't weaken. Kind of girl. Yeah. Right there. Perfect. Woo. There we go. Come on, girl. You got my main man and Don down there directing. You're doing good. There we go. There we go. Ooh, fine piece of ranch work right there. Yeah. Ooh, watch here. Come on with it. Yeah, don't weaken now. Get with it. Come on. Show me what you got. 38. Come on, girl. You got it. Woo. Come on. 30. Woo. Yeah, let's get one. Get cut. Get it on. Right underneath, come on. Do it quick. Yeah, let's get it on. Get clear. Now you got it. Work on it. You got 10 seconds. Do it to it. Come on. Keep him right there. Don't let it leave. That's it. 2 seconds.